Okay guys, I'm in a parking garage and I'm about to head into an office for a very important meeting, at least for me. And I just want to share a tiny little thing that I do before every meeting or before I switch context, like from now, driving and people honking the horn or me honking the horn. And then going into a meeting where I cannot be what I've been in the car. Or when you've been coaching someone and then you're going to a pep rally or a town square meeting or a town hall meeting, sorry. And then whenever you switch context, you need to switch your mindset. And I always take these 3 breaths that I was taught at a Search Inside Yourself training in London, and I carry it with me, and it's such a super simple exercise. So it's really that you take 3 breaths whenever you switch context. Go between different settings, go between different meetings, or when you're in your car and you just park your car outside your home and you want to meet your family, but not with a stressed up I'm a leader and an important manager mindset, but instead with I am now the family father mindset, or family mother, or whatever you are. The point is, I take 3 breaths. On the first one, you just focus on noticing the air going in through your nose and out through your mouth. So the first breath is like, just notice the breath, the air. And second breath you take is focus on your posture. So for me, it's usually the shoulders that I notice. So on the second breath, I inhale, and when I exhale, I try to relax physically as much as I can, whether I'm standing or sitting. I just try to relax and lower the shoulders. And on the third breath, on the inhale, I think vaguely about the meeting that I'm about to attend or the setting that I'm about to enter. And on the exhalation, when I exhale, I ask myself, what's truly important right now? And your brain will figure out the answer. And you might think that you already know the answer, but quite often you get this word that is focus or calm, or whatever pops up in your mind is your brain trying to help you do your best and be your best in that meeting. So on the third inhalation, you think about the meeting, and on the exhalation, you ask yourself, what's truly important right now? So when you do these 3 breaths, it doesn't take 5 hours. It's not a practice that takes 20 minutes to fix. It takes literally less than a minute. It is less than a minute to get in much better shape into the next meeting. So try that out. 3 breaths. Good luck.